Experts now warn that a catastrophic eruption is no longer just a possibility, but an imminent threat.
The world is once again shaken by a serious warning from scientists. Volcanic activity has increased sharply, sparking global unrest. Beneath the Earth's seemingly calm surface, scientists warn that geothermal systems are dynamic and deeply interconnected. Steamboat Geyser, Black Diamond Pool, and Mount Etna offer striking examples of how energy trapped deep within the Earth's crust is constantly moving, compressing, and searching for a way to escape. Recent studies show that before Steamboat Geyser erupts, subtle underground pressure changes occur, including shifts in hot fluids and tiny, barely detectable earthquakes. This pattern closely mirrors what scientists observed before heightened activity at Mount Etna, when magma begins its slow ascent through networks of fractured rock. Black Diamond Pool provides a quieter but no less concerning signal. Its dark coloration and extreme temperatures are not simply visual features. They indicate an unstable hydrothermal system. Experts note that changes in temperature and acidity in Yellowstone's hot pools often coincide with pressure variations deep underground, a phenomenon also seen in active volcanic systems. What alarms scientists most is the similarity in timing. These three systems suggest that geothermal energy is released not continuously, but cyclically. Pressure can accumulate for months or even years before being unleashed suddenly and violently. At Mount Etna, this release appears as lava flows and towering ash columns. At Yellowstone, the same process may take the form of geyser eruptions, sending water tens of meters into the air, or abrupt changes in hot pools that were once calm. The underlying principle is the same. When pressure exceeds the strength of surrounding rock, the Earth responds. Researchers are increasingly treating geysers and hot springs as natural sensors that reveal hidden underground conditions. Changes in the behavior of Steamboat Geyser or Black Diamond Pool may serve as early warning signs that a geothermal system is undergoing major internal adjustments well before a volcano shows visible signs of unrest. Although there is currently no evidence that Yellowstone is close to erupting, scientists stress that understanding the shared behavior of geysers, hot pools, and active volcanoes like Mount Etna is critical for disaster preparedness. In geology, small surface changes are often echoes of powerful processes unfolding far below. When Steamboat Geyser erupts again, Black Diamond Pool shifts color, or Mount Etna sends lava into the night sky, they all point to a single truth. The Earth is never truly silent. It is only waiting for the right moment to speak. In other news, Philippine volcanologists recorded 256 rockfalls at Mount Mayon as lava flow activity continues, according to the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, TIVALS. The agency reported that the volcano also produced 41 high-density pyroclastic flows, while sulfur dioxide emissions reached 777 metric tons per day on Saturday, according to local media outlet Philstar. Ground deformation data indicates that Mount Mayon continues to swell, signaling ongoing volcanic activity. A steam plume rising up to 200 meters, 656 feet from the summit, has been observed drifting northeast. Mount Mayon remains under Alert Level 3, which has been in effect since January 6. Authorities continue to strictly prohibit entry into the permanent danger zone due to the persistent threat of rockfalls, avalanches, and possible explosions. Mount Etna has erupted more than 50 times over the past 500 years. Its 2018 eruption displaced thousands of residents. Meanwhile, the death toll from a landfill collapse in the Philippines rose to 6 on Sunday as authorities continued searching for dozens of missing workers. Cebu City Councilor Dave Tumulak, chair of the Cebu City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, said 2 additional bodies were recovered while 30 people remain unaccounted for, according to local outlet Inquirer. Rescue teams are battling heavy rainfall, unstable debris, and the risk of methane gas as they search for survivors believed to be trapped beneath the rubble. The privately operated landfill collapsed at approximately 4:17 p.m., 0817 GMT, in Cebu City, Central Visayas.